Now, there are side effects with the GLP-1s, the semaglutides, the Wegovy and the Zepbound. A lot of people get nauseated, they get diarrhea and or constipation, with constipation seeming to be more of a problem than diarrhea, and people will even vomit sometimes. This has to do with the slowed gastric motility. So food just sort of sits in your stomach, then it kind of sits in your small intestine, then it kind of just sits in your colon. And where normally you might pass food through in 5-6 hours, it'll take like 12 to 13 hours. Some people, a subset, will get what's called gastroparesis, and they will actually have a paralyzed gut. And that is being looked at right now. There's a very small subset of people, and it may or may not be reversible. So if you do have a lot of these side effects, talk to your physician if you're getting these drugs, and the side effects need to be kind of monitored. There are some instances of pancreatitis, gallbladder issues, but all of that can be monitored by checking liver enzymes, pancreas enzymes, things like that. The side effects of obesity are well known and known to be horrific for people. So I would say losing weight is probably a better bet than being nauseated, but you got to talk to your physician about which side effects you can tolerate for the massive health benefits of weight loss. So here's a quote from one of the studies. Weight loss with semaglutide stems from a reduction in energy intake owing to decreased appetite, which is thought to result from direct and indirect effects on the brain. So basically, this is just chemical portion control. Remember I told you bariatric is mechanical portion control? This is chemical portion control. So you're using a drug to make yourself not want to eat as much, and you don't eat as much. Most of my patients tell me that the little voice in their head that would always say, oh, I really like that donut. Oh, I really want this. Oh, I want to eat some candy. Oh, that voice just goes away when they're on these meds. They just don't even think about food anymore, which is pretty remarkable and tells you how important the brain really is.